Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, stylish and very DIY based designer style, easy to make hand embroidery ideas for hand embroidery lovers, for hand embroidery artists, for hand embroidery beginners as well. But I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are new to my channel, or you're watching my content for the very first time, please friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because on my channel you can get all type of very beautiful, stylish, amazing and trendy designer style ideas related to women fashion. And now let's talk about today's video. In my today's video, I'm sharing a very beautiful, exquisite and stylish design ideas of hand embroidered patterns. Friends, these patterns are creative and unique in itself. You can use these patterns for a wide variety of reasons, like for making hairpins, hair clips, for making your face mask, for making handkerchiefs, for making table covers, for making very beautiful dresses. Like you can also embroider these patterns onto your t-shirts, sweatshirts, onto your woolen hand knitted materials, sweaters, cardigans and many more creative stuff. So friends, if you really like my today's ideas, if you really like my today's creativity, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'm requesting it again because most of you have been just watching my videos and you are just neglecting the subscription and you are not following us on regular basis. So keep supporting us. It's a thank you call to my subscribers, my YouTube friends, family who have been supporting me and through which we have reached this milestone. And for newcomers, for new followers, I have a request that please do follow us and find very creative and stylish ideas and give your suggestions that what you want us to improve in our channel and what you want new ideas to share with you on daily basis. And make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that I get to know that what you feel about my content. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then friends, please take care of yourselves and please do try these patterns which I have shared in my today's video. And thank you so much once again. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Stay blessed, stay connected, stay motivated, stay positive. Try to help others to achieve their goals. Try to ease the hurdles of others so that your hurdles could be eased automatically.